good to see you! Look how many more cars there are for you!
You're
so smart! Super! Now let's disassemble the wrecking ball!
Keep going.
Perfect! What do we fix first? This is where welding comes in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Super! Awesome! Put a patch on it. Excellent! That's great! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Excellent! The only thing left to do is paint.
Keep going.
You fixed it! The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Let's open the cover plate. Turn the valve to open it. That's it! Pick up all the junk with pliers. You're so smart. Magnificent. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. You solved the problem. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Wonderful! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. You're so smart. Magnificent! Let's install the new parts in the engine. You're so smart. Wonderful! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks.
Keep going.
I knew you could do it. All done. Now help to assemble wrecking ball. Keep up the great work. Let's improve the car. It's time to take the car to the construction site. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Keep going.
Let's go!